Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use Faysal Bank credit card points. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. Log into your Faysal Bank online banking or mobile application, navigate to the Blaze Velocity Rewards section, and explore the available redemption options. These may include use your points to purchase gift cards from various popular brands and retailers, redeem points for booking flights, hotels, or car rentals through designated travel partners. Pay your utility bills, mobile phone bills, or other eligible bills using your points. Transfer your points to another Blaze or Velocity Rewards member's account. You might receive physical vouchers after accumulating specific points. These vouchers can be used for discounts or purchases at designated partner stores. Some partner stores allow direct point redemption at the point of sale. Look for the Blaze or Velocity Rewards logo at partnered stores and inquire about using your points for discounts. So that's basically how you can use Faysal Bank credit card points. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.